Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Grace here. Join me as I'm going to make this beautiful blouse for myself. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Please subscribe. It's actually free.
The first thing to do is to draw my starting line. Next is to input my bust, my waist 16, and the length of this top 23, plus 1 inch sewing allowance. I will extend this length. To unfold, I use my shoulder measurement plus my sleeve measurement and fold this fabric. Now, my shoulder measurement is 15. Half of 15 is 7.5 plus my sleeve is 7.5. Length of this sleeve, I'm taking 6 as the length. The bust I'm working with is 85. 85 divided by 4 is 85. Fold it again. I place it. I mark. Here to here is my bust, quarter of my bust measurement. I add 1 inch for east. And also add 1 inch for sewing allowance. I'm inputting quarter of my hip measurement. I add 2 inch allowance. That is 1 inch for east and 1 inch for sewing allowance. I'll connect. From this shoulder line to the bust line, I will maintain this measurement as my sleeve opening. Measuring back my shoulder plus my sleeve allowance, then I got 13 3/4. I'm going to input that same measurement here so that we'll have a straight line. I mark. So I will connect it with the very straight line. The width of my neck is 4 inch. The depth for the back is 2 inch. I'll connect. For the front, the depth of my neck is 4 inch. I'll come down here by 1 inch and slope my shoulder. I'll connect it back to the neckline. At this bust line, I don't know if you guys can see my measurement. This way it ends, this way it starts. I'm going to curve it a little with a very slight curve. I'm going to use this front to cut the back. So I'm going to cut this out. This one will serve as a back piece.
I'm trimming the front neck line. I'm also marking 3 inch for my slits. I use my back piece to cut my facing and it's unfold. The facing is unfold. I mark 4 inch round and I will connect the lines. I'm cutting out. I'm about to cut the front facing now. So I place it on fold. I repeat that same 3" for the slit on my facing. So I'm cutting it out. After which I'm going to open my facing, the slit 3". Remember. So I will mark from that slit, I will mark 4" round. For 4" round. Then I will connect the line and I will cut it out. I'm going to weave it now. After weaving, I place my facing on top of each other, right side facing. That is the back, this is the front. So I'm going to place it like this on top of each other and stitch it down by ½ inch, if as shown. This is the back piece, and place right side facing. I'm going to stitch to by ½ inch. After then, I'm going to notch it, flip it and top stitch toward the facing. Here is it. I've notched it. I will top stitch toward the facing. That is what I'm showing now. The same with the front piece. I also top stitch. But when you get to this pointy edge, it will be hard. In short, you are not going to be able to top stitch there. So you need to jump there. This place, you need to jump it, top stitch. Or when you get to this other side of this pointy edge, jump it and continue stitching. After that, I'm going to trim out the seam allowance so that that point will come out very pointy. That edge will come out very pointy. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm going to bring the front out. Yes, it's looking very beautiful. The next thing I will do now is to iron this my front piece very well. I'm going to press it very well with the hot iron and aiming gun, only for the front. As for the back, when I attach the shoulder, that is when I will iron the back. I'm done doing that. So I'm going to place my back on top of my front and stitch the side by 1". Remember, we added 1". 1". I will join my shoulder by ½ inch. I'm done doing that. I'm going to fold. Before folding this part, you need to iron your back piece. Remember, we didn't iron it. At this point, I'm going to notch this armhole side. I'm going to give it a very good notch so that it will relax well on my arms. It's going to look nice when you notch it and iron. I mark 7" for the slit, side slit. This blouse is going to have side slit, so I'm going to iron it down, including my aiming allowance. I'm going to fold 5". Sorry, I'm using this charcoal box iron to iron right now. NEPA just tick off their lights, so I need to continue with my sewing. Yes, I'm folding ½ inch down and I will iron it down. I'm done doing that. It's very beautiful. I'm going to tack it. I don't want to sew it. I'm going to tack my slit and tack the hem so that it will come out very neat. So I'm done with this dress. I'm ironing it out. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this dress. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.